Plastic surgery is a super specialty now, but I think general surgery residents should be aware of all the concepts and principles that are involved in plastic surgery.
In our country with various colleges, we are not at par in terms of subspecialties. Conceptual surgery gives a very beautiful platform where every field comes together to give a wholesome, comprehensive knowledge to the students. I think you should take maximum advantage of these platforms and review your updated technology every day.
Yes, very true.